Hello, in this lecture, I'll be discussing with the problem of matrix. Okay, so look, this is the problem. 2x plus y plus z equal to 1, x minus y plus 2z equal to minus 1, 3x plus 2y minus z equal to 4. Okay, this is the problem. This is the problem. From these three equations, we have to find out the values of x, y, and z. Okay, so the solution starts from here. Look, this equation can be written in matrix form as follows. This is the matrix form of the above three equations. 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, minus 1, 2, 1, minus 1, 2, 1, 2, minus 1, 1, 2, minus 1. Okay, and this is the 1 minus 1, 4. 1 minus 1, 4. So it is assumed that this is the A matrix, this is X matrix, and this is B matrix. So AX equal to B, AX equal to B, and from this X equal to A inverse B. So we have to find out the A inverse. So as we know, how to find out the value of A inverse, we proceed in that way. Okay, so at first we have to find out the determinant of the matrix A, and if the determinant is not equal to 0, then A inverse exists and we proceed further. Okay, so we have to find out the determinant at first. A matrix, matrix A determinant is symbolized in this way. So how we will find the determinant in this way? 2 multiplied with the determinant minus 1, 2, 2, minus 1. Okay, minus 1 from here. Minus 1, 2, 2, and 2, this 2, and minus 1, this minus 1. Okay, and 1 plus minus 1 multiplied with the remaining part. If we cancel out this column and this row, what remains? 1, 2, 3, minus 1. 1, 2, 3, minus 1. Then plus 1 multiplied with, if we cancel out this column and this row, what remains? 1, 1, minus 1, 3, 2. 1, minus 1, 3, 2. So plus minus plus, in this way sign will rotate. So if we solve this, we get the value of determinant. So we find the value of this determinant. Minus 1 is 1, minus 2 multiplied with 2, so 4, minus 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1 minus 1 minus 1, minus 3, 2 multiplied with 3, 2 equal to 6, and 1, then 1 multiplied with 1, 2, 2 plus 3 multiplied with minus 1. So minus 1, here is a minus, 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 and minus plus, so 2 plus 3. So after a simple addition, we get the value of determinant A is equal to 6. So 6 is not equal to 0. So A inverse exists. Therefore, now we will find out the A inverse, and it can be found by dividing the adjoint A with the determinant of A. So at first we have to find out the adjoint A, and adjoint A can be found out by the cofactor of matrix A, and after finding out the cofactors of matrix A and then transposing, we get the adjoint A. So this is the matrix A, and the cofactor of 2 is nothing but, if we cancel this column and this row, what remains? Minus 1, 2, 2, minus 1. So minus 1, 2, 2, minus 1. Again, we find out the cofactor of 1. If we cancel out this column and this row, this column, this row and this column, what remains? 1, 2, 3, minus 1. So 1, 2, 3, minus 1. Again, the cofactor of 1 is, if we cancel out this column and this row, what remains? 1, minus 1, 3, 2. So 1, minus 1, 3, 2. And now if we find out the cofactor of 1, so we cancel out this middle row and this first column. So what remains? 1, 1, 2, minus 1. 1, what remains? 1, what remains? 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, minus 1, 2, minus 1. And now, mm, minus 1, the cofactor of minus 1, if we cancel this middle column and this middle row, what remains? 2, 1, 3, minus 1. 2, 1, 3, minus 1. And again, these two, the cofactor of 2 is, if we cancel out this column and this row, what remains? 2, 1, 3, 2. 2, 1, 3, 2. Similarly, cofactor of 3, if we cancel out the first column, the last row, so what remains? 1, 1, minus 1, 2. 1, 1, minus 1, 2. And again, the cofactor of 2, if we cancel out this column and this row, what remains? What remains? Remains 2, 1, 1, 2. 2, 1, 1, 2. The cofactor of minus 1, if we cancel out this column and this row, what remains? 2, 1, 1, minus 1. 2, 1, 1, minus 1. Now we put the sign. For the first element of this adjoint A, will take the plus sign, then minus sign, then plus sign, then minus sign, then plus sign, then minus sign, then plus sign, minus sign, plus sign. In this way, it will rotate. Okay, and there is a transpose. Now we solve mm, this part, and we get the value of minus 3, 7, 5. The first row, the second row is 3, minus 5, minus 1, and third row is 3, minus 3, minus 3. How minus 3 minus 3 is found? Minus 1 multiplied with minus 1 minus 4. Okay, so minus 3 minus 1 multiplied with minus 1 is plus 1, and minus 2 multiplied with 2, so 4, so minus 4, and there is plus 1, so minus 3. And what is this? And this is the, if we multiplied 1 minus 1, it means 1 minus 1, and there is minus sign, so it is plus 1, and minus 3 multiplied with 2, so this is 6, and minus minus plus, so 7 is there. Okay, so 1 minus 1, this one minus 1 is minus 1. Clear? 3 minus 3 multiplied with 2, 6, minus 6. So minus 1 minus 6, and and there is minus. So all the minus signs will be changed. It will be positive. So the 7 is there. So 7 is there. And similarly, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, and 3, minus 1, minus 3, and there is minus. So plus 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Okay. In this way, we get these elements. And now we transpose. This is the first row. It would be the first column. Minus 3, 7, 5 is the first row. Minus 3, 7, 5 is the first column. 3 minus 5 minus 1, this is the second row. This is the second row. It would be the second column. So 3 minus 5 minus 1. And this is the last row. 3 minus 3 minus 3. So this it would be the third column. 3 minus 3 minus 3. So adjoint A, it is the adjoint A. Now look, Now look, so A inverse, so A inverse, so A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A and adjoint A. So determinant is 6, so 1 by 6, adjoint A is the value of adjoint A. So now x equal to A inverse B equal to 1 by 6, this matrix, okay, and multiply with B. So now we multiply through the multiplication procedure, we find this element, okay. Minus 3, we multiplied in this way. Along this, we multiplied in this way. This is the first row. This is the first row. Okay, this is the first row, and this is the first column. So this is the first row, and this is the first column. Okay. So look, minus 3, 1 plus 3 multiplied with minus 1 plus 3 multiplied with 4. So this. Okay. Now 7 multiplied with 1 minus 5 multiplied with minus 1 plus minus 3 multiplied with 4. So we get this element. Now 5 multiplied with 1, we get this. My plus minus 1 multiplied with minus 1, this, plus minus 3 multiplied with 4, this. Okay. So after solving, we get 6, 0, minus 6. 6, 0, minus 6. Now we get, after solving this, and 1, 0, minus 1. 6 divided by 6 equal 1, 0 divided by 6, 0 minus 6 divided by 6 equal to minus 1. So x, y, z, the value of x, y, z is 1, 0, minus 1. So what are the values? The values of x is 1, y, y equal to 0, and z equal to minus 1. So here we have solved the three equations and find out the values of x, y, z. So if there are three equations in the problem, and you have to find out the values of x, y, z from those three equations, and then you can take shelter of matrix and write down the three equations into a matrix form, and then solve, and you will get the value of the value of x, y, and z. So hope you have understood the problem, and thank you for enjoying this lecture.